Good evening one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. So ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? సో టుడే ఇవాల్టి నుంచి రైట్, ఇవాళ రేపు అండ్ కమింగ్ నెక్స్ట్ డే అప్ టు ఫ్రైడే ప్రతిరోజు నేను I will be discussing Vizag Steel previous year papers and also the most anticipated questions that will come in your examination. ఎందుకంటే మొత్తం 200 మార్క్స్ 200 క్వశ్చన్స్ పేపర్ అండి. అందులో 100 క్వశ్చన్స్ నాన్ టెక్నికల్ ఉంటాయి, 100 క్వశ్చన్స్ టెక్నికల్ ఉంటాయి, రైట్? సో దెర్ ఈస్ వెరీ మచ్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఫర్ దిస్ అండ్ ట్రై టు అటెండ్ ద సెషన్ అండ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ దిస్ సెషన్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆల్సో, రైట్? ఐ విల్ స్పీక్ మోస్ట్లీ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ టు క్యాటర్ మోర్ ఆడియన్స్. డోంట్ వరీ అబౌట్ దట్. దాని గురించి ఏం భయపడకండి, రైట్? సో before start of the class, time and again I am saying that what is the difference between iconic and plus. So let people join. I'll start the class, right? Iconic and plus. So మీకు అందరికీ ప్లస్ గురించి తెలుసు, రైట్? యూపీఎస్సీలో చాలా పెద్ద బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ అయిన తర్వాత మిగతా హయ్యర్ ఎండ్ కోర్సెస్లో కూడా గేట్, క్యాట్, రైట్, మిగతా అన్ని కోర్సెస్లో కూడా హైయర్ ఎండ్ కోర్సెస్లో ప్లస్తో పాటు ఐకానిక్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. సో నీకు ప్లస్లో వచ్చే లైవ్ క్లాసెస్, క్రాష్ కోర్స్, వీక్లీ టెస్ట్, డౌట్ సాల్వింగ్ అండ్ ఆర్ఐబి విచ్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్లీ ఫర్ క్రియేటర్స్, రైట్? వీటన్నిటితో పాటు వాట్ డూ యూ గెట్ ఇన్ ఐకానిక్? యూ విల్ గెట్ ఏ పర్సనల్ కోచ్ ఇన్ ఐకానిక్ వేర్ హీ విల్ బి అట్లీస్ట్ ఐఐటి లెవెల్ ఆర్ ఎగ్జామ్ని అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక మంచి ర్యాంక్తో క్రాక్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు అయి ఉంటారు. సో he will analyze you, then he will give a study plan. So ఏ టాపిక్తో స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి, నెక్స్ట్ ఏ టాపిక్తో వెళ్ళాలి, రైట్? సో ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. సో ప్రతి టాపిక్కి యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇన్స్టెంట్ ది బెస్ట్ స్టడీ మెటీరియల్. ప్రతి టాపిక్కి నీకు సమ్మరీ వస్తుంది, రైట్? క్రాష్ కోర్స్ లాగా వీ కెన్ ఈజీలీ మూవ్ ఆన్ దిస్. ప్రతి టెస్ట్కి మీకు అనాలిసిస్ వస్తుంది, రైట్? సో ఎక్కడ తప్పు చేస్తున్నారు, వాట్ యూ వాంట్ టు ఇంప్రూవ్ దేర్. సో హౌ మచ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఇన్వెస్ట్ దేర్. So let us take for gate. Plus అయితే మీరు if you use my code NLN 10 you will get 10% discount, and after 10% discount the price will be 27,225, and this is for 18 months and this is for 24 months. If it is iconic, the same. If you use my code you will get 10% discount, and after discount the price will be 45,225, and this is for 24 months. And this is me and these are my scores in different examinations. నా కోడ్ వాడటం వల్ల మీకు 10% డిస్కౌంట్తో పాటు యూ విల్ గెట్ గైడెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దీస్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఎ బ్యాచ్ ఆన్ December 7th ఫర్ ఈఎస్సి ప్రిలిమ్స్. ఈఎస్సి ప్రిలిమ్స్లో ఉన్న 99% సబ్జెక్ట్స్ నేనే డీల్ చేస్తానండి. సో ఐఎమ్ ది వన్ స్టాప్ సొల్యూషన్ ఫర్ దిస్, రైట్? సో ట్రై టు ఎన్రోల్ దోస్ హు ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్. And as I said, this is a complete course, right? Na Ankit Goyal sir దగ్గర నుంచి కామేష్ సార్, భీమ్ శంకర్ సార్, right? క్లాస్ ఫైనల్ నా దాకా. And this is my link on Unacademy, right? నన్ను more than 2000 members ఫాలో అవుతున్నారు. ప్రతి ఎగ్జామినేషన్కి నేను సపరేట్గా కోర్సెస్ చేశాను. So this is the link to follow on Unacademy. And tomorrow on Unacademy I am conducting a mock test exactly at 12:30 PM. Vizag Steel MT survey 2, రైట్? డూ ట్రై టు అటెండ్, రైట్? ఎగ్జామ్కి వెళ్ళే ముందు కనీసం 2-3 టెస్టులు తీసుకుంటే దెన్ యూ విల్ బీ మోర్ కంఫర్టబుల్. చాలా ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేయగలరు. చాలా ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్ని పోగొట్టుకొని బయటకు వచ్చి బాధపడతారు, రైట్? డోంట్ డూ దట్. ఎగ్జామ్కి వెళ్ళే ముందు 2 టెస్టులు రాయండి కనీసం. నాన్ టెక్ 100 క్వశ్చన్స్ అండి. నాన్ టెక్లో 200 క్వశ్చన్స్లో హాఫ్ నాన్ టెక్, హాఫ్ టెక్ పేపర్ ఉంటుంది, రైట్? అండ్ యూ కెన్ అన్లాక్ ది టెస్ట్ బై యూజింగ్ మై కోడ్ NLN 10, right? And these are the batches going on right now by top educators, and my crash course will be starting from December 16th. I'm really sorry, 16th December. Do try to join. Complete general aptitude. Done. So chalo, straight away we'll start with the questions, right? Now ఇది లాస్ట్ జరిగిన వైజాగ్ స్టీల్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ అండి, రైట్? సో టుడే ఐ గాట్ ఆల్ ది PYQs. మీకు ఏంటంటే కొంచెం కంఫర్టబిలిటీ రావాలండి, ఎందుకంటే మీ ఎవరి దగ్గర క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ లేవు. సో ఐ టుక్ ది హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ దేవేంద్ర సింగ్ నేగి సార్ and some Vizag Steel employees to get those papers. Anni papers type cheyinchanu. We will see all those questions. So this is a time and work based question. And already same question meeku crash course lo kuda deal chesanu. So let once observe the question there clearly. A can do a piece of work in 16 days. So I'll write down the things there. A can do a piece of work in 16 days. First 3 questions నేను explain చేస్తాను, నెక్స్ట్ మీకు టైం ఇస్తానండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఏమన్నారమ్మా, B in 24 days it seems. ఓకే, ఇంకేమన్నారు, with the help of boy they finish it in 8 days. ఒక బాయ్ ఉన్నాడట, వాడి డేటా తెలియదు, వాడి డేటా గురించి మీకు ఏం తెలియదు, కానీ ఏ బి బాయ్ కలిసి పనిచేస్తే ఆ వర్క్ ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో అయిపోతుందట. సో ఈజ్ దట్ గివెన్ దేర్? ఎస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ దేర్. సో హౌ మచ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్? ఈజ్ ఇట్ 8 days? 8 days. Am I right or wrong? Now what is the question asked? The boy will do it alone in how many days is the question asked. నేను మీకు చాలా క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను, రైట్? సో మీరు యూనిటరీ మెథడ్ అలాంటి చెత్త కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏం తీసుకోకండి. టేక్ ఎ నెంబర్ which is exactly divisible by these numbers. So take LCM of this 16, 24, 8 LCM entamma, that will be your work done. Can anybody say what is the LCM of this one? So 16 you can write it as 2 to the power of 4. 24 ni nu ela raaychu 2 cube into 3 అని రాయొచ్చు. 8 ని ఎలా రాస్తావు? You can write it as 2 cube. So what will be your LCM there? 2 to the power of 4 into 3. Am I right? So your work done is how much? Is it 48 units? Done. So నాకు ఇప్పుడు ఎఫిషియన్సీ చెప్పండి. ఎఫిషియన్సీ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటమ్మా? వర్క్ డన్ పర్ యూనిట్ టైం. ఒక్కొక్క మనిషి ఎఫిషియన్సీ చెప్పాలి. క్యాన్ ఎనీబడి సే ద ఆన్సర్ దేర్? ఎఫిషియన్సీ, నేను ఈఎన్ రాస్తున్నా ఎఫిషియన్సీని. ఎఫిషియన్సీ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? వర్క్ డన్ పర్ యూనిట్ టైం. ఎంత పని చేస్తున్నారు యూనిట్ టైంలో? అక్కడ యూనిట్ టైం ఎంత? డేస్, అంటే వర్క్ డన్ పర్ డే. సో మొత్తం 48 యూనిట్స్ వర్క్ని 16 డేస్లో చేస్తే ఏ మొత్తం ఒక రోజులో ఎంత పని చేస్తుంది? ఇట్ విల్ డూ 3 యూనిట్స్. ఆమె రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్? ఎస్. ఇక్కడ బి మొత్తం పని 24 డేస్లో చేస్తే 48 యూనిట్స్ 2 యూనిట్స్ అవుతుంది. ఒక రోజు 2 యూనిట్స్ చేస్తుంది. నా యూ డోంట్ నో అబౌట్ ది బాయ్. సో ఇఫ్ దే వర్క్ ఆల్ టుగెదర్, ఏ బి బాయ్ కలిసి పని చేస్తే 8 డేస్లో అయిపోతుందంటమ్మా. 8 డేస్లో అయిపోతుందంటే ఒక రోజులో ఎంత పని అవుతుంది? Is it 6 units? Yes. Your question is over. In one day, if A, B and boy work together, how much work they will do? Is it 6 units? Yes, perfectly 6 units. A ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ చేస్తున్నందులో ఏ వాటా ఎంత? 3. B షేర్ ఎంత? 2. బాయ్ షేర్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఎంత అవుతున్నప్పుడు మొత్తం ఇటువైపు తీసుకెళ్ళండి. 6 minus 5 will become how much? Will it become 1 unit? Yes, 1 unit. Done. Your question is done. This is 1 unit. So boy can do 1 unit of work per day. So total 48 units of work will be done in how many days? Is it 48 days? Now is this your answer asked? If boy work alone, how much time will he take to complete the work? Is this the question asked? Yes, this is the question asked. So నేను క్లాస్ అయిపోగానే I will forward the question paper also, the previous question paper also to your Telegram groups. So you don't worry about that. Focus on the questions. Is it easy? నా టైమ్ అండ్ వర్క్లో ఉన్న ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్ ఇదే ఫార్మాట్లో చేయొచ్చమ్మా. నేను క్రాష్ కోర్స్లో నన్ను ఎవరు అన్నారు, సార్ ఏంటి సార్ అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఒకే ఫార్మాట్? ఒక ఫార్మాట్ చాలు, అన్నన్ని గుర్తుంచుకోవాల్సిన అవసరమే లేదు. రైట్, నౌ దిస్ ఈస్ ద థింగ్. ఐ థింక్ ఐఎమ్ క్లియర్ రిగార్డింగ్ దిస్. సో ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ప్లీజ్ పోస్ట్ మీ ఇన్ ద గ్రూప్. ఎస్, వెరీ గుడ్ ఉపేంద్ర, వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. ఎస్ ఎస్ ఎస్, వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. నాకు సారీ, మీ కామెంట్స్ ఇప్పుడే చూస్తానండి. ఐఎమ్ రియల్లీ సారీ. వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. Kushal, I am doing it in English. I am doing it in English. Don't worry about that. I am doing it in English. Kushal, I am doing it in English. Don't worry. Bolo. This is an easy one. Let me know the answer for this. Lion King, I am using English, right? I will use English. Don't worry about that. So in how many ways a committee of 5 members, in how many ways a committee of 5 members can be selected from? Hi Pritam, hi Asif. From 6 men and 5 ladies, right? So totally there are 6 men. Asif, you must not use even pen to solve these questions, right? There are 6 men and 5 ladies. Okay, now from this you have to select 5 members, and this 5 members, there is a condition there. In this 5 members there has to be 3 men and 2 ladies, it seems. Now what will be your answer there? So totally available men are 6. Out of 6 you have to choose 3 men. Total available ladies are 5. Out of 5 you have to choose 2 ladies. Now this is combinedly one pool, so 6C3 into 5C2. What's your answer there? 5C2 is nothing but 10. 6C3 is nothing but 20, and your answer is 200. Done. That's an easy one. Very good, very good. This we have done in profit and loss, right? Profit and loss. Ab dekho, just use the simple basics to solve, right? Don't try to go for the techniques, right? You cannot remember the techniques in the examination. Now dekho, this is the question asked. A wine merchant buys 10 casks of wine. 10 casks of wine. So dekho, 10 bottles. Let us take it as bottles. Let us take it as bottles. Right? So you have 10 bottles of wine, it seems. If he sells it at rupees 5 per liter, so don't worry about the typo errors, right? Because there is no such time to check the typo errors. He loses 200, and if he sells at rupees 6 a liter, he gains rupees 150. Find the number of liters in a cask is the question asked. So let us do like this. Now this is a cask. Let us take there is x liters in a cask. Totally there are 10 casks, so 10x liters. This is the available total wine. Okay, done. Let's keep it aside. Now when did you got a loss? So loss is nothing but cost price minus selling price. Am I right or wrong? Right? How much loss did you got? 200 rupees, it seems. Okay, done. And you don't know about the cost price. Let us keep it as like this. What is the selling price there? Now dekho idhar, each liter cost you 5 rupees, it seems. Totally you have 10x liters. So is it 50x? Totally 5 into 10x will be 50x is the total selling price. Am I right or wrong? Done. This scenario is over. Now come to the next one. When do we get profit? When your selling price is greater than cost price. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. How much profit did you got? You got 150 rupees profit. Now what is your selling price there? Ab dekho, it is 6 rupees per liter, it seems. So you have totally 10x liters. So selling price, total selling price will be 60 into x, 60x minus cost price. Now see here, I can write down the same format here. Cost price is equal to 200 minus 50x. Right? Now here cost price is equal to 150 minus 60x. Is it right? Yes. Now you can equate this to, yes, very good Jagdish. Let's see. You can equate this to 200 minus 50x. In the place of cost price, I will write down this equation 150 minus 60x. Is it clear? Sorry. Sorry. One second. Got my mistake. Cost price is equal to 200 plus 50x. Now here cost price is equal to 60x minus 150. 60x minus 150. Yes. So I didn't observe it. I'm really sorry. So I'm writing it again. 60x minus 150. right? So this 150 goes to that side, which becomes 350, and this 50x goes to right hand side, which becomes minus 50, 10x. Now how much is your x value? Is it 35 liters? Yes. There is no time limit, Jagdish, right? Completely 200 questions, right? And 2 hours time, and it's all about how do you choose the time. Now 35 liters is your answer. 35 liters. So all these questions are previous year questions only, right? I mean the examination questions only. Done. Very good. And your answer is 35. Done. Now let me know the answer for this. We have done the exact question in compound interest. And everybody know about the formula for compound interest. Now what is the formula there? Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by small n divided by 100. Mostly you will get 1.5 minutes for each question. Whole to the power of capital N. Right? Be 4 years. Very good. Right? Now let me know. In many ways you can solve this question. Right? As I say now, dekho idhar. Find the least number of complete years. Least number of complete years in which a sum of money put out at 20% compound interest will be more than doubled, it seems. So it's all about how your logic is. You can use a simple number also. So what I will do is I'll make a pass, right? In my pocket there is 100 rupees. This 100 rupees, yes, this 100 rupees will become 120 rupees after first year. Am I right or wrong? Because 20% now. This 120 rupees after second year, it will become how much? 120 into 20 by 100, 24 rupees will be added, and finally it becomes 144. After third year, how much it will be added? 28.8 rupees will be added. Now see here, 172.8, and automatically after fourth year it goes beyond 200. Am I right or wrong? So you can write down like this. So see here, 20 rupees is added here. Now here 24 rupees is added. Here 28.8 is added. Now here how much? 34.56. You can do like this. And see here, you can use this formula also. Now dekho idhar, your amount, your principal must be greater than double, it seems. Matlab p plus 1 plus p plus, what is this value there? 1 plus r is 20, small n is 1. 1 plus 20 by 100 is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 5 whole to the power of n is greater than 2. Am I right or wrong? Is this your question format? Yes. Now see here, I can write down like this: 6 by 5 whole to the power of n, which is greater than 2. Yes. Now you can go from options, substitute your options wherever it will be greater than 2, stop there. Or otherwise you can use logarithms. I will solve in the next slide. I can use logarithms also. Log 6 by 5 whole to the power of n is greater than log 2, taking logarithms on both sides, and this becomes, this is log a to the power of n into log 6 by 5. I am doing all the procedures, ma. You can use whatever the technique you want at class. Finally log 2. Now this is in the format of, dekho idhar, log m by n. Now n is greater than log 2 by log 6 minus log 5. Am I right or wrong? Jagdish, I will explain you, right? Don't worry about that. Inka 4 days unnayandi, right? Prati roju okkokati explain chestan, right? Don't worry. Reasoning anni complete, anni questions chedam. So everybody know log 2 is 0.3. Everybody know log 6 is 0.77. Everybody know log 5 is 0.08, 0.69. If you solve this, you will get at 9, n is greater than 3.78 something. At last, finally, your answer will be 4. And these are different techniques to solve. I think I am clear. Yes. Right. And I want you guys to solve this question, right? And I will give you 2 minutes for this. So this is the only toughest question, little bit higher level question asked in the examination. I already forwarded the previous year Vizag Steel papers to your Telegram groups. I don't know how many of you observed it. Now once observe this question and let me know the answer there. Asif, Jagdish, we will see English, we will see reasoning, we will see DI, complete everything, right? Don't worry. Anybody answers? Akhilesh, hi Akhilesh. After a long time seeing in your YouTube class. Prabhavati again tells her, which one ma? And Preetham, okay. So the next slide I will explain you what are the things that will be there in the examination so that you can get a clarity. Very good, very good. Those who gave me 78 are doing mistakes. Only one answer, right? What about the remaining students? "30 seconds more." That's an easy one. "20 seconds more." Jagdish, Preetham, C. Very good. So done only 2 members. There are more than 15 in the class. So at an examination in which full marks were 500, it seems, A got 10% less than B, B 25% more than C, and C 20% less than D. It is not B. That's what Jagdish. If A got 360, what percentage marks did D get? So I'll write down the format here. Now once check there. Now I'll write down the about A. Now out of 500, A got 360 marks, which is nothing but equal to 72%. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now come to the next one. I'll write down in different inks. I'll write down about B. Now what is the point given there for B? A got 10% less than B, it seems. First of all, you don't know how many marks did B got. You have to find out that. So let us take like this. So if B got some marks which is equal to 100%. Now how much did A got? Please let me know. A got only 10% less than B, matlab 90% of what B got. This 90% marks is nothing but equal to 360. Am I right or wrong? So cancel this 91s are 94s are. So automatically this dash value will be equal to 400. So if I ask you B percentage of marks, which is nothing but how much? It is 80%. Am I right? Yes, right. Exam la ante miss kaguradu. Come to C. What is the point? B is 25% more than C, it seems. B is 25% more than C. We don't know about the C marks. Let us take C marks as 100%. Now B got 25% more than C, it means B marks will be 125%, and this 125% marks will be equal to 400. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So this is 25 5s are 25 4s are 5 1s are 5 8s are. So totally C will get how many marks? 320. 320 is nothing but how much percentage of total mark? Is it 64%? Yes, 64%. I'm doing all the different questions, right? Don't worry about that. Now come to this. C got 20% less than D, it seems. So I'm coming to D. We don't know about D marks. I will take D marks as 100%. Now what happened? C got 20% less means C marks will be 80% of D, and this 80% marks will be equal to 320. Am I right? 88 ones are 8 fours are. So how much did D got? Is it 400? Yes. 400 is nothing but out of 500, 400 is nothing but how much? 80%. Am I right or wrong? Yes. And your answer is C. If you are asked with C, 64%. If you are asked with B, 80%. If you are asked with A, 72%. Now these are the different answers. I think I am clear. Yes. Done. Let me know the answer for this. 30 seconds. What is the logic behind it? What is the logic behind this number series? Anybody? 30 seconds. Only 30 seconds. Here after each and every question, 1 minute only, right? The question time is over for you. 30 seconds. So already Akhilesh gave me the answer. Asif gave me the answer. What about the remaining students? As I said, I am speaking in English only, right? Even though it is a Telugu channel, right? Very good, very good, very good. What about the remaining persons? Good, 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 very good, very good, very good. So, dekho, this says this is nothing but 5 twos are 10, 13 twos are 26, 29 twos are 58, 61 twos are must be your answer. 61 twos are is nothing but 122. Right? Now, this is your answer A. Very good, very good, excellent. Right. Now, observe this, right? So, for this type of questions, how to solve it very, very easily. I will show you how to solve it very, very easily. A sum of money is divided among 40 persons. I mean 4 persons. 3 of them received, so first 3 of them received 1 by 8 and 2 by 5, 3 by 16, 3 by 16. Okay, and of whole respectively, while the fourth one received 46 rupees, it seems. Okay, what was the original sum? So you the answers, 8 5 16. The LCM of 8 5 16 is how much, ma? Can anybody say? Is it 80? Yes, your LCM is 80. Now this is 10. Now this is 16, 32. Now this is how much? 16 5s are 80, 3 5s are 15. Now there is no need to do anything there, right? Whatever the answer which is divisible by 80, that will be your answer. Whichever the answer is divisible by 80, that will be your answer. Only one option is there and your D option is right. Akhilesh have given me the answer. No need to check the remaining things. So they go that the fourth part will be 80. Now this is how much? 32 plus 10 42, 42 plus 10 52, 57, 67, 77, 23. Right, this 23 by 80 part is equal to, no need to calculate all these things, but this 23 by 80 part is equal to 46, and you are asked to find out 80 parts value. 80 is total value. So 23 ones are, 23 twos are, right? Everything you will get this. 82s are 160. This is your answer. So observe the options there. Wherever this is divided by 80, only 160 is divisible by 80. All the remaining options are not divisible by 80, and this your answer is D. There is no need to check anything there. Done, clear? So this is the way to eliminate the options, right? Those who want to solve very fast, those who want to gain more marks, presence of mind is very, very important. This is what I took a session in Unacademy special class also. How presence of mind will be very, very helpful. Done. Now Bolo answer for this. Let me know. Only 30 seconds. I will not give more than that. 30 seconds. Let me know the answer there. So I will be coming to reasoning questions also. Don't worry about that. all the mixture of questions here. Five seconds more. Nobody gave me the answer, right? What's the answer there? Anybody? 30 seconds is over, yeah. Asif gave me the answer. Apart from that, nobody gave me the answer. Is it right? D. It's not D. Now see here. I have explained you a simple concept, right? Simple average. I'm writing the formula there. Simple average is equal to sum of the terms divided by number of terms. Is it right? Now when you want sum, you have to multiply your simple average into number of terms. So first of all, see here, average age of 600 students of a school is 10.75 it seems. So you know simple average and you know number of terms, and please let me know the sum value there. Can anybody find out there? So simple average is 10.75 and your total number is 600. Am I right? Which is equal to how much? Is it 6680? This is very easy to calculate. Now the next one. With enrollment of 40 new students, the average age is reduced to 10.4375 it seems. 10.4375. Now see here, now the present average is 10.4375. And how many students are there? 640 are there. Now observe here, your sum will be 6450. And subtract this sum, you will get 230. Right? This 230 is nothing but this 230 came due to addition of this 40 students. Divide this 230 by 40, then you will get the answer. So 4 5s are, 4 7s are, and again 4 5s are, and your option number B satisfies there. Am I right or wrong? This additional 230 is due to the 40 students which were enrolled new. Am I right or wrong? So 230 average is nothing but the average will be dispersed equally to all the numbers, right? Is it clear? Yes. Now answer this question 30 seconds. In NICL also this question, this type of question came. Nobody have answered this. Let me know the answer for this. Which of the following alternatives shows the relationship between family, son? No, Prabhavati, wrong. Son. Abbai ammai okte avutara. Right. Now see here, C option is right. Now see here, I'll draw the diagram also. I'll draw the diagram for you. Right. Ab suno, this is a family. In this family, he is son, he is daughter. There will be no relationship to son and daughter. This will be right. Son and daughter together in a family, right? But they will not be intersecting, right? C is correct only. Clear? It's not together, right? They are separated. In a family, they are separate. Done. This is the diagram there. Let me know the answer there. We have done enough number of questions regarding this, right? In how many ways can 10 books be arranged on a shelf so that a particular pair of books shall be never together? Shall be never together. So, never together combinations. What will you do? First find out together combinations and then yes, Asif, very good, right? So they go, what I will do is this particular books I will keep it one side. I'll give only one slash to this. So remaining 8 books are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So how many blocks are there? Totally 9 blocks are there. 9 blocks are there. Once observe it carefully. Never together it seems. Never together it seems. Particular pair of books. So we are finding out So this is 9 factorial. Am I right or wrong? So 9 factorial into 2 factorial is always together combination. So from total 10 factorial, you have to remove this. Am I right or wrong? Let me know yes or no. Let me know yes or no. Is it clear? From total 10 factorial, yes. Then option D it seems. First of all, you have to give me the correct option here. This is total arrangement, right? Total minus together arrangement will give you never together arrangement. Am I right or wrong? Don't miss this type of questions. Easy questions, right? Never together combination. We have done many questions in our plus class and YouTube classes also. Done. Very good. So see, these type of questions immediately will be tricky and you lose the marks. Bolo answer for this. I have enough explained you regarding this circular arrangements, right? Now there are two different sets of people. What I said? What is the question asked? In how many ways can a party of 4 men and 4 women can be seated in a circular table so that no 2 women are adjacent, it seems. If no 2 women must be adjacent, can I write down like this? First of all, arrange 4 men onto this table. Now in circular table arrangement, the first person can be arranged in only one way and the remaining 3 persons can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Am I right or wrong? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So men are arranged M. Is it clear? Now, how many slots are available in between men? Because no 2 women are adjacent, it seems. So women must be separate. How many slots are available in between men? 1, 2, 3. 4 slots are available. Now 4 men are there, 4 women are there, 4 slots are there. Now those 4 women can be arranged in this 4 slots in 4 factorial ways. Am I right or wrong? Is there any answer there? 3 factorial is nothing but 6. 4 factorial is nothing but 24. So the number has to end with 4. Is this your answer C? This is your answer. So each and every basic we have done in the class, right? So that's what I request you, right? For different PSC examinations, half of the paper will be non-tech, right? You must not leave these type of questions. Done? Clear? Next one, right? Right. Now observe here once. Please wait for 1 second. For this type of missing letter series, don't learn any basics. So these are time consuming questions. If at all, if you observe these type of questions, do it last. Don't do immediately. My suggestion is write down all the English alphabets from A to Z and give numbers to them. So write down English alphabets on a paper. Please write down the alphabets there. A, B, C, D up to Z. I will also write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. Now give numbers to them. Give numbers to them, right? I am not writing down all the numbers, right? Give numbers to them. 1, 2, 3. At last, finally, Z will get 26. Now, the logic is you can use the same logic for all the questions, right? For all the questions. Don't use a separate logic for separate questions. My suggestion is use the same logic for all the questions. So, what I am saying is, now, I will write down one point there. A, Y, B, Z, C. According to English alphabets, the numbers given for A is 1, Y is 25, B is 2, Z is 26, C is 3. Okay, and D, W, I'll write down here. D, W, E, X, F. So D value is how much? 4. W is 23. Right. E is 5. A, B, C, D, E. X is 24. F is how much? 6. Now once observe there, the change is plus 3 here. Here it is minus 2. Here it is plus 3. Here it is minus 2. Here it is plus 3. Now see here, the same format is moving, right? The same. Yes, Anjan Reddy, very good, very good, very good. The same format is moving, right? I will write down next one also for your convenience. They go either G U S H, and for final question there is no need to check the entire things, right? So all the options, so you can go down directly to AC options and you can check there and you can write down the options there. So for G I am writing down for your convenience. G is 7, U is 21, H is 8, V is 22, I is 9, and the same format is running. 4 plus 3, 23 minus 2, 5 plus 3, plus 3 minus 2, minus 2 plus 3. The same format is running. So the same format will run for the question also. And at last finally your option will be C. Yes, yes. Very good, very good. Done, done, done. Very good, very good. So for this type of questions, what my suggestion is, do at last, do finally. If you have very good enough time, do it. Don't waste 2 to 3 minutes here only, right? You might miss 4 questions. Right, and let me know the answer for this. Let us see how many can answer this. I will be giving you 2 minutes, right? You cannot answer this within below 2 minutes. Let's see. What is the question asked? How many such pairs of letters are there in the word apprehension, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as there are between them in the English alphabet, it seems. So let's see how many can solve this. I will give you one logic between this. I'll give you one logic between this. Now, observe in the previous slide. Now, this is H and this is N. How many letters are there in between H and N? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are there. Am I right? Now, come to here. Between H and N, this H and N, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So in English alphabet also, in between H and N there are 5 alphabets. In apprehension also, in between H and N there are 5 alphabets. No, yaar, it is not 7, Jagdish. What are those 7? Please let me know then. What are those 7? Let me know then. I want the answer, right? All the 7. A, P, P, R, E, H, E, N, S, I, O, N. O, N is appearing? Yes. It is not D, Jagdish. Anybody apart from that? Now, if it is D, what are those? What are those? Give in the comment section box. Give in the comment section box. I gave one, H and N. So, देखो, I will write down in each and every point also. H and N. There are 5 numbers. In English alphabet also there are 5 alphabets. What Lion King is saying that A, E. Okay. Next one. P, R. Next one. E, I. And I gave one H, N. Now what about the remaining things? Okay. Fine. I'll write on each and every point. A to E. A, B, C, D. Okay. This is one. So two things I have written there. Next one, PR, it seems. PQR. Okay, very good. PR. Yes, very good. Apart from that, A to E. How can it be A to E? How can it be A to E? A to E is over, na? Sorry. A to E is over. How EI? I don't know. I wrote it right. So how EI? EI 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1 EI 1, 2, 3. EI 1, 2, 3. No, yeah. EI is wrong. EI is wrong. EI is wrong, right? I wrote whatever they said, right? Don't blame me. So till now we have got this AE, PR, HN, and you will get PI also. Once check there, PI also. देखो इधर PI, P and I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters are there between I and P. I and P. Now देखो इधर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters are there between I and P. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know whether I am right or wrong. Yes. Yes, I wrote 4. And what about the remaining persons? Remaining ones. And देखो इधर R and N. देखो R and N. How many are there? 1, 2, 3 are there between R and N. Here also 1, 2, 3 are there. So R and N or N and R. I wrote 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How can it be A option? నేనే 5 రాశాను కదా. Right? And देखो इधर in between O and N how many letters are there? 0. And here also in between O and N there are 0 letters. So these are the things. So your answer is 6. Again 7. What is the 6th one? Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? What are the 7th one then? Prabhavati, what is the 7th one? 7th one A cheppandi. Right. This is the answer, right? So these are time consuming things. So don't waste your time doing it, right? Even though if you get the correct answer, it takes more time to solve. So do it at last if you have enough time. That's what my suggestion is. Okay? Done? Right, Bolo. Now I will explain this question. This is an easy one. So there are two types of questions, right? What is the smallest number that must be added to? Added to. This is the point given there. Added to. One second. It got stuck. 1 second. Right, added to. 6156. To make it a perfect square, it seems. First of all, in order to make it a perfect square, and you have to know one point. So everybody know 80 square is nothing but how much? Is it 6400? Okay. Is it clear? Now, देखो इधर everybody know 75 square is very easy. 75 square, 5 square is 25, 5 7s are 56, 5 6 2 5. Now next one, 76 square will end with 6, 77 square will end with 9, 76, 77, 78 square will end with 4. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know yes or no. 76 square will end with 6, 77 square will end with 9, 78 square will end with 4. Now, which option will give you the answer? Oh, sorry, 79 square is there, which ends with 1. Which ends with 1. अब देखो, add this number 6566. देखो 79 square will work out. 79 square can be written as 80 minus 1 whole square. 80 minus 1 whole square is nothing but a square is 6400, b square is 1, so a square plus b square is 6401 minus 2ab, is it 160? Yes. Which is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 6241? Is it 6241? Yes. Then your question is over. 6241 minus 6156 is how much? Is it 85? Yes, perfectly it is 85, and this is your answer, right? And sometimes in the examination they might ask like this, right? They might ask like this, when it is multiplied. So I will change this question. What is the smallest number that must be multiplied to 6156 to make it a perfect square? Now not adding, multiplying, right? So they go either, yes, very good. 6156, break down this 6156 into prime factors. Break down this 6156 into prime factors. I can write down like this. 6156 is divisible by 2. Can I write down like this? 2 square into 3 to the power of 4 into 19. You once check there, this will become 6156 only. So I can take down like this 2 square. So they go either 3 square whole square. Everything must be in square format, man. Now what is the least number that you have to make? Now here only 19 to the power of 1 is there. You have to make it into 19 square. That will be your answer. That's it. So what is the least number that you have to multiply in order to make it as a perfect square? 19 is the least number. This is your answer. So whenever you are asked to find out these type of questions, least number multiplied, break them into prime factors. Wherever square is missing, multiply that number and that becomes square, and that will be your answer. I think I am clear. Yes, very good. Right, and this is a very easy one. 30 seconds. No need to check the options also. A certain sum doubles itself in 8 years, it seems. So if you have P amount in your pocket, it becomes 2P in 8 years, it seems, right? So they go either, in this P is the interest amount that you have obtained in this 8 years, and it is under simple interest, it seems. 16 years, that's an easy one. Now the same P will become 3 times, it seems. 3P. Treble means 3P. Most of you will feel difficulty here. Treble means 3 years. 3 times. How many years? In this 3P, you have got an interest of 2P. So for P 80 years, for 2P it has to be 16 years. That's it. All these are previous year questions, right? The previous exact before examination of Vizag Steel Plant. This one. Let me know the answer for this. 30 seconds. All these questions are last examination. I got all the papers from DWEXF sir. 30 seconds. Let me know the answer there. Easy time and work. There are 4 to 5 questions on only time and work. So focus more on this crash course what I have given there, which will be very helpful for you. I thought more students will come for the class. No? What happened to you? Time up. Time up. What about the answers? Nobody? The point given here is 6 men or 9 boys can reap a field in 4 days. So 6 men or 9 boys, it seems. Matlab, the efficiency is like this. So I can write down like this. M by B is equal to 9 by 6. And my question is over. And you know M1 D1 into M2 D2, right? So I will take 6 men here. For my 6 men can reap a field in 8 days. In how many days 8 men plus 6 boys can reap the field in how many days? D. In the place of M, substitute 9. In the place of B, substitute 6. In the place of M, substitute 9. So 6 nines are 54 into 8 divided by 8 nines are 72 plus 36. How much is 72 plus 36? Is it 108? Yes, it is 108 number of days. Find out the answer there. Right, 6 nines are 6 ones are 6 18s are 9 ones are 9 twos are, and your answer is 4. There is no need to do apart from this. Done. Right, and again this is very easy question. A train 130-meter long traveling at 45 kilometer per hour takes 30 seconds to cross a bridge. So there is a bridge, it seems. So I'll write down like this. This is a bridge. Let us take length of the bridge as some LB. Now a train has to pass this bridge. I'll take this as train, and train length is LT. Now it takes 40 seconds, it seems. Right, is it 245? Lion King, is it 245? Yes, it is 245. Now देखो, so train has to cross its length and also the bridge length. Bridge is sedentary body, so there will be no relative speed. Speed of the train you have to take it as 45. I will convert it into meters. 45 into 5 by 18, and the time is 30 seconds. And you know length of the train is how much? 130 meters. And your question is over. There is no need to explain also. So 30 into 45 into 5 by 18. Right. So 3 tens are, 3 six are, 2 threes are, 2 fives are, 3 ones are, 3 15s are. 15 into 25 is nothing but how much? 375 something. Right. Length of the bridge will be, right, 25 into 15 minus 130, and your answer will be first option. Okay, you are Preetham, right? Sorry. How can I remember, right? Let me know the answer there. What is the missing number in the series? 2 comma, I'll not give any timer also. Let me know the answer there. 2 comma 6 comma 12 comma 20, and here is the question mark. 42 comma 56 comma 72. Anybody answer? Is it 30? Yes, very good. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. And 42 plus 56 is nothing but how much is it? 14. Yes. 56 plus 72 is nothing but 16. So automatically here it has to be plus 10, and here it has to be plus 12. Now which number has to satisfy there? Only 30 satisfies there, and your answer is B. Yes, very good. Sorry, what about the question, right? Where is the question that we have missed out? Where is that question? So chalo, this is the question. We have done the exact question in the plus class and also in the YouTube session crash course also. Let me know how many can answer this. Tomorrow I will get one more pre-YQ papers. Let's solve that question also, right? English also. Tomorrow we will solve English more. So I will wind up in just 5 minutes, right? Let us do the remaining questions tomorrow. Don't worry about that. 2 minutes, answer this. Any answers? Asif, Preetham, Akhilesh, Jagdish. You must not take more than 1 minute here. We have done same question Asif in the plus class. Akhilesh, we have done the same question in one more test also in the crash course if you have gone through that. 50 seconds more. So don't try to use any formulas there, right? It's an easy one. I have done same question, but the numbers are different in the crash course. Is it 142? No, yeah, no, yeah. Pritham, it is not 142. 20 seconds more, Akhilesh. What about your answer? Kuch answer from you? Waiting. Chahua, right? Nobody gave me the answer, right? Dekho, there are many percentages here. So don't take, yes, 150 rupees, very good. Don't take a small value. Don't consider X. Let us take a higher value. I will take my cost price as 100X. So because many percentages are there, if depreciating values will become very less. So I'll take little bit higher value. A bookseller sells a book at a profit of 10%. If the cost price is 100x, what will be the selling price? Will it be 110x? Yes. Now this 110x value I will take as some y rupees. If he bought it at 4% less, now he bought it for 4% less means now the cost price will become 96x. Am I right or wrong? And sold it for 6 more. 6 more matlab previously it was y rupees, now it is y plus 6 rupees. He would have gained how much? 18 3 by 4 it seems. Now dekho 18 3 by 4 is nothing but 18 4s are 72. 72 plus 3 is 75 by 4. Percentage can be written as 1 by 100. So this is nothing but how much? 25 3s are 25 4s are. I can write down this as 3 by 16. Yes. Now your profit value is 3 by 16. I will take my cost price as 1. My selling price will be how much? Is it 19 by 16? Yes. Perfectly it will be 19 by 16 only. Now at last finally how much will be this profit value? 3 by total 16 parts. Divide 16, 16, 6 are 96. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know yes or no. Yes. So 3 parts value will be 14. Am I right or wrong? Will be 114x. Yes, perfectly. Now subtract this. 114x minus 110x will be 4x. And your 4x value will be equal to how much? 6 rupees. And your x value is nothing but how much? Will it be 3 by 2? And substitute this 3 by 2 in 100x. 100 into 3 by 2. That's your answer, which is simply equal to 150. Now as I said, you have to be strong on percentages. If at all if you are not strong on percentages, so automatically the calculations will take very huge time. Shall we solve one more question or shall we end the class? Let me know, your choice. Shall I solve one more question or shall we end the class? Shall we solve one more question? Right, I have many questions there. It's only 39, some 60 questions are there. Bolo yaar, no? One more to end. Now let me know. So this is a verbal ability based question and nobody can help you. You have to be little bit on very good English. Now dekho, the first pair of words provide a definite relationship. Complete the second pair from the options given such that the same relationship is maintained. Axe is related to woodman it seems. Everybody know. Now what is all? If you don't know all, nobody can do. All is nothing but a pin. A pin which is used to stitch leather. Which is used to stitch leather. A sharp pin which is used to stitch leather. Arey yaar, plumber will not use pins, right? Right. So automatically your answer is anybody who uses pin. Cobbler, right? Cobbler is nothing but a person who makes shoe. Who makes shoe? Arey yaar. Ma, tailor will not use leather products, ma, it's cotton, right? Clothes. Cobbler is nothing but a person who works on shoes, right? I mean footwear. Let me know the answer for this. Now liberate is written as 564312 it seems. Liberate is written as 564312. There is no ambiguity in this very easy question. I'll end with this. Tomorrow we will see, right? We have 3 more sessions, don't worry about that. Now देखो, L is related to 5, I is related to 6, B is related to 4, E is related to 2. Why? Because what I have decided, E is written 2 times and 2 is written 2 times. That's why taken like this, right? R is written as 3 and A is written as 1, T is written as 7. So there is no change in code bar, right? Everything is exactly the same. E is written as 2. Now tribal, T is 7, R is 3, I is 6, B is 4, A is 1, L is 5. Yes, your A option satisfies. That's it. Very good. Very good. So let's solve these questions tomorrow, right? There are many questions I got. So tomorrow also I will get some more questions to solve. Okay. Yes, Jagdish, you have to score more marks, right? So exam is nothing but scoring more marks. So those who want this notes PDF, join this Telegram group and join my Telegram group and join any Telegram group, whichever. So there are many Telegram groups in the description. Join in that, I will forward the notes there. Right. As I said, right, many were asking me for tech training, right? Here on Unacademy Com Science, up to machine learning, every course is going on. Go through that, right? And this is a flagship channel, regional channel at JE. Somebody was asking for RRB, right? And they go in Vizag Steel. I am writing down the points my here. Now, see here again. Once again, I am requesting you, share my code NLN10 to your friends. So on December 7th, we have started ESC prelims batch. There I will be taking all the non-tech syllabus completely, right from project management, ecology, ethics completely. And from 27th, GATE 2022 is going to start. And now see here in Vizag Steel Plant, out of 100 questions, there will be questions on general knowledge, right? So tomorrow let us see some general knowledge questions, and there will be questions on verbal ability, and there will be questions on logical reasoning, and there will be questions on quant. And your GK questions will be very plain and very easy. For suppose they ask this question, right? What is the epicenter of the tsunami region? Everybody know it is Sumatra Islands, Indonesia. So it will be general plain questions. Don't worry about that. So tomorrow we will see GK, verbal and LR complete questions, right? All the previous year I have some 5 to 6 years PYQs with me. I will solve all those questions. Okay. Then let's meet tomorrow 8:30 p.m. sharp. So share to your friends regarding this class. And tomorrow I will be conducting a mock Vizag Steel test exact at 12:30 p.m. And the link is in this YouTube channel. Please click it and enroll. I'll forward the link right now, right? Good night. Yes. Good night. Bye.